DIY Dad here, and today we're rolling up our sleeves and diving into some serious cleaning action. Say hello to my little friend, the Power Tool Brush Set from HeartlandAmerica.com, SKU number 63245. Check out what we've got here, a 3.5-inch dome-shaped brush and a 2-inch and 4-inch brush. It's perfect for getting into those tight spots and giving them a good scrubbing. It comes with a 1/4-inch quick connect shaft which fits well in all drill sizes. Adding the attachments is easy. Now let's put these brushes to the test. This grimy hubcap has seen better days. And just like that, with a few spins of the drill and some elbow grease, look at that hubcap shine. Whether you're cleaning up your car, your kitchen, your shower area, or your workshop, the Power Tool Brush Set gets the job done right. Head over to HeartlandAmerica.com and grab your Power Tool Brush Set, SKU number 63245. Trust me folks, you won't know how you lived without it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe. DIY Dad over and out.